going on, guys? XSR Detroit here with another video for you. So if you've been subscribed to the channel for a minute, you're probably wondering why I'm doing yet another Mudflap video on my Ford Maverick. And basically what happened is I bought some $40 Mudflaps for my Ford Maverick from Musligi, I'm not entirely sure still. But I decided I wanted to take them off my truck, and the reason is they make contact with the body. Now the kit does include some PPF to put between the body and the Mudflaps, and I just still didn't like the idea that I was creating a space where things could potentially get trapped or rub, so I decided to get rid of them. I took them off my truck and I bought some new Mudflaps from ROKBLOKZ. So today I'm going to be installing them onto my Ford Maverick. This is what I received with the ROKBLOKZ kit. We've got our Mudflaps, we've got some hardware to install the Mudflaps, we got some instructions, and they even included some Smarties, which normally I just prefer unflavored chalk, but this is it's nice, I'll eat them for sure. They also threw this ROKBLOKZ vinyl in, which is pretty nice. It's always nice to get stickers with your parts. I'm gonna start out with the front driver side of the truck. Now, you may be able to install these without taking the wheel off, but I'm gonna take the wheel off just to make it easier on myself. This is actually my first time taking the wheels off my Maverick. I was surprised to find that they're 21 millimeter. Now that we have the wheel off, we can remove these 3 push pins. We're going to pull the wheel liner to the side. Holy shit, bro. Okay, cool. That's a cool find. Free leaves with your Mudflap installation. So the kit comes with these 2 inserts. We're going to place these, one here and the other on this lower portion. And that is it. Put the wheel liner back. I'm ready to start installing the Mudflap. ROKBLOKZ makes it pretty easy. There's a label where each Mudflap goes, so there should be no confusion. The logo should be facing the rear of the vehicle. I'm not sure what my Maverick's doing right now, but it's doing something. It's making noises, but yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the push pin included in the kit, and I'm just gonna pop that through the bottom, and I'm just gonna do this to hold the Mudflap on while we get ready to install the rest of it. The kit includes 2 fasteners and 2 washers for each side, and we just have to fasten those in. It's that easy. There's definitely more room with the wheel off. You might be able to get away with doing this with the wheel on, but it's just nice to have all the room. I'm not running into the tire or anything. But the front driver side and passenger side are identical, so I'm not going to show you guys how to do this twice because it's the same thing on the other side. So we're ready to put the wheel back on and move on to the rear. I decided to remove the rear wheel, just give myself space like the front. We're going to be removing these 2 7mm fasteners and this trim insert, and then we can start working. We've got another orange insert. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put that one up top. Place that there. Now, like the front side, we do have spacers. This top one is only getting 1 spacer on the outside, whereas the other 2 will get a spacer on the outside and the inside of the wheel liner. That's gonna go another spacer on the other side. And we're just gonna fasten these in. That's going to do it for this video, guys. A quick, easy install. If you took your wheels off, do not forget to torque them. But yeah, this kit is a huge improvement over the MUSELAG kit. And of course, it's $90 more, so you would expect that. I've never owned ROKBLOKZ before. I had some rally armors on my Focus ST, and I really like them. I'm a little frustrated with myself for cheaping out the first time. I would just say, if you're looking into Mudflaps, just get these, or at least get something better than the MUSELAG or MUSELAG. I still don't have any idea how to say that, but either way, really happy with the kit. If I wasn't filming, I probably could have put these on in half an hour, so overall, very cool. They're there to do a job, they look good. I need to pair them with some aggressive looking wheels to really make them pop, but overall, I am very happy. Thank you for watching as always, and stay tuned for more Maverick content. I'll see you in the next one.